BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we also have a new version of the Brave web browser for desktop, version 1.43, which is now the latest stable release. And the browser has also been upgraded to the latest Chromium version 105 because Brave is based on the open source Chromium platform. Now there's quite a lot going on in this latest release, which was made available on the 1st of September, which was late yesterday in my region. So just to head to the settings to start out with, as there's quite a lot going on in the settings where a lot of the new features have been rolled out. And the first is if we head to the languages page, they've added Brave Translate in version 1.43, a new setting, offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read, and that's toggled on by default. And then if we head to the new tab page, customize, and top sites, if you do use the top sites, which place the most frequently visited sites on your new tab page, then you can now customize the number of top sites shown on the new tab page. And if we head back to the settings menu, and this time we head to the system page and system menu, close window when closing last tab is a new setting now that's been made available in the system page, and that's also toggled on by default. And then heading to the wallet and networks. If you have added a network to your Brave wallet, you now have the ability to search networks when adding a new network. And then the last feature to do with the settings is on the Get Started page and import bookmarks and settings. And Brave is now, in this latest release, given the ability to import bookmarks and settings from Opera and also from Vivaldi. So if I just click on the menu, yeah, you can see my Vivaldi browser. I can then import those bookmarks and settings from Opera and Vivaldi now as well. And then when it comes to the actual browser itself, there are 4 security updates that have rolled out in version 1.43. And then once again, the wallet, if you do use the Brave wallet, it's received numerous improvements and fixes, too many to mention in this video. And you can always go check out the release notes if you want more in-depth information regarding those fixes. And Brave is giving the wallet a lot of attention in basically every update to the browser. And also they've removed the option to import disabled extensions from other Chromium browsers. So that's been removed import of disabled extensions from Chromium browsers. And then they've rolled out 10 bug fixes to the browser. And just to mention one or two of those, they fixed video playback being halted in certain cases, so that's been addressed. And just to mention 2 more, the tab group outline. Basically, if you had a tab group, the outline wasn't being rendered properly when using a light theme, so that's been addressed for tab groups. And then the bookmarks bar text was unreadable when using certain themes. So if you were using the bookmarks bar and the text was unreadable using certain themes, that has also been addressed. Now, if you'd like to see if you have this latest release, we just head up to the menu as always, about Brave. And I do find that Brave is very good at updating itself in the background. And the latest version is 1.43.88. And as mentioned, it's been bumped up to Chromium 105, which is the latest Chromium release, 0.0.5195.68. And just to mention those all-important Chromium security updates, there were 24 that were rolled out, 24 security fixes to the Chromium platform. And just to go through these quickly, one of those is a critical vulnerability, which is your highest ranked vulnerability, which is a use after free in network service. And then there are 9 high-risk vulnerabilities that have been addressed. Most of those, once again, are use after free. There's also a heap buffer overflow in screen capture, inappropriate implementation in site isolation, and then the V8 JavaScript, insufficient validation of untrusted input in the V8 JavaScript engine, which is part of the Chromium platform. So as mentioned, 24 security fixes have rolled out to the Chromium platform, 1 critical, 9 high risk. So it's important to double check that your browser is up to date. And then over and above those critical and high risk vulnerabilities, we have a couple of medium and then some lows. And that's more or less what's new. in Brave version 1.43, and as I mentioned, there's quite a lot going on. So if you click on the version, that'll take you to the release notes. For some strange reason, Brave has dated the release notes as August the 17th, which is a mistake. This actually started rolling out on the 1st of September, as mentioned. And I did go through a couple of the key highlights very quickly for you in this video, but there's quite a lot going on. So if you want to get some more information, you can just head to the release notes and check that out for yourself. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.